Okay, sorry guys about that, and yeah, I speak the game and all that, but I'm actually just doing the part 2 when I am home. Look, part 2 at home. But look, guys, it's lashing down compared to this morning. It's lashing down with rain. Let me see if you can see it. Like, are you serious? It's lashing down with rain, isn't it, Brogan? Yeah. Tell YouTube.
Whoa, look at that ball on there.
Where?
They're getting soaking wet in the puddle. You know, I've been on the roof before. To get that, like, purple thing. What kind of like an 8 and like infinity.
Okay. So then.
I'm so pretty with these flowers.
So then, guys, I guess I can.
I guess that we.
Next video, which is going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow. So you better watch that video. Watch that video. It's going to be tomorrow. Why are you doing a piece there?
I like to.
Look at her nails. Show them. Look at her toenails as well. She's got them done as well. She's got pink and blue. Really cool, isn't it? But it's been lashing down.
And it's nearly gonna come off because of that.
I'm gonna punch them.
Stupid rain.
I know, it's stupid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you guys
Do you know outside? Do you know one time Kieran called me in the line, called me stupid idiot.
Isn't that bad? That's really bad though. That's really naughty. Did you tell the teacher? Did they tell him off?
I think so. Yeah.
What did they say?
I forgot because it was a long time.
You should never call someone an idiot or stupid. Something like that. Because really, you shouldn't call anyone stupid or an idiot.
No.
Right, I'll tell you that.
But you can't call rain that, can't you?
Yeah, because rain is stupid.
Stupid idiot.
I kinda like rain, just it's wet. It's wet. Look at our room. Our room is messy. Don't knock. Don't knock. Don't look. Our room. Ooh, it wasn't this morning. Our bulbs are getting us. Mom said that we have to tidy this room. Should we tidy it with the camera on it? So I'm guessing that oh, and by the way, I remember to turn the light off. Look, you do, now you don't even need to get like, you don't get blind by the light. And look. Can you hear that?
Okay, I think that's enough now. I think that's enough chicken.
See? It's not working, that bulb. But I just want to say that we are home from the park and that we will be we will work you. No. That we will be doing more videos. I'm going to be doing one tomorrow.
You're not even tidying it up.
I will once the video is ended. The video is going to end now. So then, thank you guys so much for watching.
I think this is yours. But it's